Hello everyone, welcome to this video, the 12th in this series. Basil is a cat. This is a series for beginners in Old English, but I do suggest you go through the pronunciation playlist on this channel first. But you can if you want to do this first, there's no problems with that. This is a basic introduction. You'll see some words, you'll hear how they're pronounced, you'll see how short, small sentences are put together. And it just gives you a basic grounding before you move on to anything else. So I'll give you a sense of the language. So Basil is kata dal 12. So in this video, we practice asking simple questions about the past in Old English. You'll see familiar sentences turned into questions using words you already know, such as was, slēp, and cætt. The vocabulary stays the same, and the questions follow patterns you've already seen in the present tense. So by following and listening carefully, you'll begin to recognize how Old English asks about what happened earlier, without needing to think about rules or grammar terms, all of which can come later as you get further in. So let's make a start and hide that. All right. Was Basil weary? Yeah. He was weary. Was Basil believer? Neza. He was weary. Was Basil onhuizer? Yeah, he was onhuizer. Was Basil onyeerde? Neza. He was onhuizer. Sleep Basil? Yeah, he sleep. Sleep he lange? Yeah, he sleep lange. Sat Basil on floor? Yeah, he sat on floor. Eerde Basil tot hem yeerde? Neza. He eerde tot hem huize. Aren Basil harade? Yeah, he aren harade. Was Basil believer tha? Yeah, he was believer. That ende for nu, so the end for now. Let's put that back. Thank they elum for them the ye this yeshea wadden, we meeteth eft. So thanks to you all for watching. We'll meet again next time. Please, if you liked the video or otherwise, please push the like button and subscribe as well. It will help the channel and I'll greatly appreciate it. And I shall see you all in the next video, so please take care of yourselves. Thanks once again for watching and see you in the next one. Bye for now.